In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your life planner personal project. By the end, you'll have a single organized space for everything that matters, plus a simple routine to keep it all up to date. Start by creating a new project and name it Life Planner. Keep the title short and clear so it's easy to find on your device. This will be your central hub, a place where all your goals, routines, and responsibilities live together, rather than in scattered notes. Inside the project, set up 5 sections to keep things tidy: goals, health, finance, personal projects, and habits. Think of sections as shelves in a closet. Goals is where you capture outcomes you're working toward, like learning a skill or completing a certification. Health holds appointments, workouts, and check ins. Finance is for bills, budgeting tasks, and savings actions. Personal projects houses creative or home initiatives. Habits is where you track small, repeated actions that build momentum. Arrange these sections in the order you'll use them most often so the first screen you see matches your priorities. Now begin adding tasks under each section. Make each task a clear action, like schedule a dentist appointment or review monthly budget. Assign a due date to every task so nothing floats indefinitely. If a task is time sensitive, add a reminder that nudges you before the due date, ideally at a time you're likely to act, such as mid-morning or early evening. Use the task description to jot quick notes or links you'll need later. Keeping details close to the task saves time when you sit down to do the work. To stay on top of what matters first, add custom fields for progress or priority. A simple priority field, low, medium, high, helps you focus when you're busy. A progress field, such as not started, in progress, and done, lets you see momentum at a glance. If you prefer numbers, use a percentage field to mark how far along you are. Keep fields minimal so your list stays clean and fast to update. Finally, build a review habit. Spend a few minutes each day scanning your life planner, checking reminders, and confirming what must happen next. Once a week, do a slightly deeper review. Adjust due dates, move tasks between sections if they fit better, update custom fields, and clear out anything that's no longer relevant. The goal is to keep the plan current, not perfect. That's your life planner. Simple to set up, easy to maintain, and designed to keep you organized every day.